Tell us what you're doing. Gracie, are you chasing Indians? Say, giddy up, cowgirl. Giddy up. Who are you chasing after, Grace? The bad guys? Are you getting some bad guys?
Tangled.
You're getting tangled?
Yeah.
Why? What happened to Tangled?
Because I get tangled in. See?
Did you just shoot Tangled?
Yeah. And I done.
Oh no! Oh, that's not very nice. We like Tangled. She's not the bad guy. She's the princess.
She's not the princess.
No, she's not.
That story.
Okay, all right.
She's the bad guy.
Oh, okay.
A twist to the story.
Shoo!
Okay, Grace. Whatever you say.